If you don't want all of your friends to see who you are following on Instagram, there are two options for you. The first one is create a new dummy account, and the second option is to set your account to be private. I'll show you both options. Let's open up the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android. Tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Add Account at the bottom. You can just tap on Create a New Account and create a dummy account that no one will be able to see who you're following. However, if you don't want to be able to do that, or you don't like that option, you can just scroll up from here and you're going to look for Professionals and tap on Account Type and Tools. If you don't see that, that's no problem. You can skip this step. Just tap on Account Type, tap on Switch Account Type, and switch to a personal account. Keep in mind, you need a personal account to set your account to being private. After you have switched over to a personal account, all you need to do is go back out of here. Within your settings and activity, tap on Account Privacy, and then turn on Private Account. After you've done that, you can hit Switch to Private, and no one will be able to see who you are following unless you approve them as a follower on your account. I hope this helps. I know your day is busy, so thanks for spending a little bit of it here with me today, and I'll catch you on the next one.